Here's one thing we can learn from American Express right now that can build us a massively profitable business, right? When we think about credit card companies like Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Chase, they don't really have that status symbol, right? They have the same looking cars, the same plastic flimsy shit. There's not really like a color scheme for each level or, tier. There's just nothing there that makes them excited to buy, right? And for a lot of entrepreneurs, they love American Express. So do I. I love how the cards look. I love how the cards actually make me more excited to spend. It's a psychological hack that you can really take and implement into your business. So what are you doing right now that's making people actually excited to buy with you, right? That's impacting millions of a certain demographic of people like entrepreneurs, business owners, and can make you massively wealthy and spread to the masses, right? How are they using these certain tiers and color schemes and psychological tricks to play with your mind? Obviously they got me and they've got millions of other people, but American Express also is charging people $300, $600 a year to use their cards on top of, monthly transaction fees and APR if you don't pay it on time. So with all that expensive downfall, why do they have such a high upside? Think about that.